During the Japanese colonial rule, 1910 to 1945, norimaki, Japanese sushi rolls, were introduced to Korea. Koreans adapted this dish by using locally available ingredients, such as sesame oil and pickled radish, creating the early version of kimbap. By the 1920s, market stalls in Korea began selling these rolls, blending Japanese techniques with Korean flavors. This marked the birth of a dish that would later become a national staple. After the Korean War, 1950s, food scarcity led Koreans to reinvent kimbap with affordable ingredients like pickled radish, carrots, and spinach. Eggs became a common substitute for expensive meats. Homemade kimbap symbolized resilience as mothers rolled these portable meals for their families. This era solidified kimbap's role as a practical, nutritious dish for laborers and students during Korea's Reconstruction period. By the 1970s, kimbap became a staple of Korean street food culture. Vendors near schools and markets sold freshly made rolls, often paired with yellow pickled radish. Its affordability and convenience made it a favorite among workers and students. The dish's popularity soared, with stalls competing to offer the most flavorful fillings, from spicy tuna to bulgogi, reflecting Korea's growing economic optimism. In the 1980s, kimbap became synonymous with school trips and family outings. Mothers packed dosirak, lunchboxes, with triangle-shaped kimbap, boiled eggs, and kimchi, creating a balanced meal. This tradition reinforced kimbap's role in Korean family culture. Its portability and versatility made it a symbol of care and practicality, bridging generations through shared meals and memories. The 1990s saw the rise of kimbap franchises like Kimbap Chungguk, Kimbap Heaven, which standardized recipes and made the dish accessible nationwide. These chains offered affordable, quick meals, catering to Korea's fast-paced urban life. The franchise model democratized kimbap, turning it from a homemade snack into a commercial success, with neon-lit stores becoming a common sight in cities. In the 2000s, chefs began experimenting with fusion ingredients like cheese, spicy tuna, and even bulgogi to appeal to global tastes. Trendy cafes served gourmet versions, blending Korean flavors with international influences. This innovation reflected Korea's growing cultural confidence as kimbap evolved beyond its humble origins into a dish embraced by foodies worldwide. Thanks to the Hallyu Korean wave, kimbap gained international fame through K-dramas like Squid Game and K-pop stars' social media. Fans worldwide attempted kimbap challenges, sharing their creations online. This global exposure transformed kimbap from a local snack into a symbol of Korean culture, celebrated for its simplicity and versatility across continents. In the 2020s, high-end restaurants reimagined kimbap with luxury ingredients like truffle oil, caviar, and Wagyu beef. Michelin-starred chefs deconstructed the dish, presenting it as avant-garde cuisine. This gourmet shift highlighted kimbap's adaptability, proving that even a humble street food could earn a place in fine dining while honoring its roots. Today, the Korean government promotes kimbap as part of the nation's culinary heritage, alongside kimchi and bibimbap. Museums showcase its evolution, from wartime survival food to cultural icon. This recognition underscores kimbap's role in Korean identity, a dish that embodies resilience, innovation, and the shared memories of generations. Looking ahead, lab-grown seaweed and AI-designed recipes promise a sustainable future for kimbap. Plant-based versions and 3D printed ingredients could redefine the dish while reducing environmental impact. Yet even as technology reshapes it, kimbap remains a testament to Korean ingenuity, a simple roll that continues to adapt, just as it did a century ago.